I'm attracted to China mainly because of the cultural depth of this country. What I find is that there's something that makes you feel very, very grounded. China is a place where interaction with people is very, very easy and comforting because we all are immersed in this Chinese traditions. And I really enjoy that. I have been coming to China's rural area since 1984, so over 40 years. What's remarkable right now is the government has invested so much in making transportation easier, communications. My village neighbors have access to everything that anyone in Sanlitun has, because they can buy everything online, and it comes directly to their home. So it's really amazing now. I wish the world could see that the government has invested so much in infrastructure, in medicine, in education. And I feel that in some ways that gives everybody hope. So every villager here has hope. I am really proud of the government's investments in the rural areas and the hope that investment gives everyone, all the local friends, all the local villagers, and me, in a better future here. So what I feel is by sharing the stories of the villagers, by creating this type of platform, every aspect of a person's stay is telling them a story. It's sharing China's cultural richness directly with them. I believe the world needs to hear many voices from China, and I believe that this voice is as important as many of the others that we tell the world right now.